Hello and welcome to this Dr. Ross Maths key skill video on finding what percentage of a shape is shaded. Now this video doesn't involve much calculation, but it's intended to give you an idea of what a percentage is. Now the word percent just means out of 100. And the idea is it's designed to show you what proportion of something we have. So if we look at this diagram here, this has divided this grid into 100 little squares, and some of them are shaded. Now visually, can you see that only a small fraction of this diagram is shaded? It's a small proportion of the overall grid. So we could use this to represent, for example, like what proportion of your friends likes a particular colour. So it might be that you have 100 friends and these shaded people are the people who like a particular colour. So we can see it's a small proportion. It's less than a quarter of the diagram is shaded, and it gives us this idea of proportion, what fraction of something we have. And particularly percentage is just a special kind of fraction where it's out of 100 rather than out of something else. So because this diagram is divided into 100, and because percent means out of 100, we just need to count how many of these little squares are shaded. Well, each row is 10 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 10 here, and then another 10, so that's 20, and then 1, 2, 3, so it's 23. And the way we write that is 23%. Now, if the whole diagram was shaded, so we had everything of something, we would say that as 100% because it's 100 out of 100. So if, for example, we said that 100% of our friends like the colour orange, that means all of your friends like the colour orange. And if half of it was shaded, so if you said half of your friends like the colour orange, then, well, what's half of 100%? Because 100% is everything. Half of 100 is 50. So 50% represents half of something, and it means half of your friends like a particular thing